Hi, I'm Fatma and this is my channel Be Creative with Fatma. Today I'm going to be making a very new thing. I will make pizza. So let's start. This is my dough. It's homemade dough. I have already rolled it. This is my form. I'm going to put it on my I'm going to put oil. Now I'm going to put the dough. I'm going to fix it on the form like this. I'm going to cut the excess parts. Like this. Now I'm going to add pizza sauce, 1 tablespoon. And I will add some ketchup too to make the taste a bit better. Not much. Now I mix it. You have to put it all around the pizza. Now I'm going to put on some cheese. Like this. Now I will add the vegetables. Like this. Now the chicken. Now I'm going to add some more cheese on the top to make it more cheesy. Now I'm going to add the herbs. So these are Italian herbs. So it's done. I'm going to put it in the oven for 220 degrees and 20 minutes. Now let it cook for 20 minutes and then I will show you how it looks. So the pizza is done. Now I'm going to cut it. Take it out and cut it into pieces. Like this. Look how cheesy it is. Hope you like it. Do try it at home and give me your feedback. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.